Hello guys, it's Godswill once again. I welcome you back to the variable tutorial, and what you're going to be looking at in this video is running an application in Python. And so this is a COVID software I built using Python function, and this application is a biodata application that takes in the data of a COVID patient. As you can see, the name of the function is COVID app, and so we are going to run this code to see how it works. And so here's an overview of the code lines, as you can have a view of it. And here is an if else statement, and also you can see the lines of the code and what it does. So we are going to run the code now and then see how it works. So I click on the run button. Okay, and here we are. As you can see, it is asking what's my name, and so first I'm going to input my name, and then I hit enter, and then it's now asking me what I want to do. It has welcomed me to a hospital, so I want to do a scan, and then I hit enter, and then what it does, it will now take my first name. When I hit enter, it will take my middle name, and so here now it's asking for my country or nationality. Then it's asking for my state, and then my local government, and then my address, and then it's asking for my street number and address, and then my date of birth, then my month of birth, and then it's asking for my year of birth. So I'm going to input my year of birth, and then I hit enter, and so it's asking for the current year, and the current year which we are is 2023, and so I hit enter. And here you can see that it has said I am an adult. I can now proceed to the next lab, and then it's asking for my blood group. I input my blood group, my genotype, my relationship status, and then I input it. Do I have a relative or a kid or adopted? I have a relative, so I input yes. How many children do I have? 0. And then it's asking for my work status, and then I input CO, and then I hit enter, and you can see that it has now given me my biodata. And then you can see from this highlighted area, it has printed out my name, my biodata, my country, my address. It has printed out my date of birth, and you can see here in this line it has calculated how old I am, and it is saying that I am 123 years old. And then you can see that it has printed out my blood group, and here my relationship status, and then it has printed out my work status. And so this is a biodata app that runs on Python. And so I'm going to minimize this, and we are going to see the main.py file, and you can see that it is taking input. You can see in line 6 here is a variable, and you can see that I declared the variable name that stored the user's name, and then I declared other variables. And then you can see here is an if statement that checks the age. If it is less than 18 or greater than 18, you see that it will tell me what to do next. And so if my age is less than 18, I have to set a condition that it will break, and then the code will exit. And so you can see down at the last line, I call the function COVID-19 app, and then the app runs. So I'm going to check the main.py file, and here I have the main.py file, and you can see it still shows me the same thing. So I can input my name, and then I hit enter, and then I input what I want to do here. I can say checkup, and then I hit enter. My first name, I hit enter. My middle name, my last name, and that's how it will work also on a system that has Python installed. So this is a COVID-19 app I built. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, drop on your comments, your notifications. If you want the source code, you can contact me, check the description, and I'll give you a link to the source code. And guys, I appreciate your time, your views, your comments, and please subscribe, turn on notifications for more videos. Share the video to help others learn, and you can go and expand on this, expand on your knowledge, and try this out and see how you can also run your own COVID-19 app, or you can build your own application that can run for the health sector. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.